Hi there, U.S. government students. This is Mr. Kerr, and taking a look at week number 2, philosophers and Facebook. And we'll find out what philosophers have to do with Facebook. So a couple of things. You know, we go Tuesday through Monday night usually. This week, since we'll have Labor Day next Monday, you'll actually have through next Tuesday to complete your assignments. My suggested schedule will always try to get you going through the week and really just finishing stuff up the next week so that you can have your weekend to yourself. But you know, what works for you on your schedule, but definitely with the discussion boards, need to get those going early in the week. So things you should do every Tuesday morning when this video comes out. Watch this video, which you're doing right now. Thank you. And then go through the suggested schedule. And it's a suggested schedule. You can adjust it how you need. But I do, my suggestion is that you stick with the suggested schedule as much as possible. You should also check your grade book on yours. It just says grades right here. You should check that. You should look for feedback from me. I usually won't get your stuff graded until Tuesday or Wednesday from the week for last week's stuff. But still check your grade book on Tuesday morning, and you should probably check it at least every other day, if not every day, for things that I've graded, given back to you, and for feedback on those. Every single day, you should be checking your email, your text messages, and your messages. And look at that. I have a message waiting for me right here. So those are things you should be doing every single day. And discussion boards, staying up with those. Do not leave the discussion boards to the last minute. So you should be all finished up with week 1. And here on the materials page going into Unit 1, and we are now on week 2, philosophers and Facebook. And as we go in here, you'll see that there are 2 assignments. It says, I say, and so, political philosophers and political philosophers B. I forget what the B stands for. We'll take a look at it. Philosophers Facebook project. There we go. So this first assignment is you are going to be learning a lot more about a couple of different very important political philosophers in the history of our country. And what you're going to do is open up, you can do it in Word, a PDF, or the Google Doc here. And just for time's sake, I will open up the Word document. Make it a little easier to look to do. And so the it says, I say, and so strategy. Here is kind of an example here, kind of spells it out. And then we get a sample. So John Locke from last week's reading. You'll get a question about John Locke. It says, look for direct quotes. And this is what I want. See, these are in quotation marks. I want direct quotes from the reading about John Locke that helps answer this question. Then in the I say column is some additional information that you know about John Locke from the reading, from outside, whatever. You add some additional information here, and then and so. So this is basic. We should call this column actually so what. So what? In asking this question, so what with this quote, your information, what is it that we're really trying to get at here? And you'll see the question, what in his background influenced his thinking and political philosophies? So what? Why do we care about that? Locke's political philosophy became the basis of thought of the founders. That means the founders of the philosophical basis of our country, and contributed to many colonists seeking independence. That's why, that's the so what. Very, very important. And so then you'll see that you have 4 other political philosophers, Baron de Montesquieu, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, Thomas Hobbes, and Thomas Paine. And then there will be 2 suggested links. You can use other links, other sources if you want, but there are 2 suggested links for you to get your information to answer these questions and fill this out. So that is the It Says, I Say, and So assignment. Do that one first, because then you go to the Facebook project. Now, real quick, I have the note here, but real quick, this is not about Facebook. The whole thing of doing this like Facebook is just a means to the end that you're going to show that you've learned a lot about one of the philosophers that we have studied. And basically, you'll open this up and you'll see all the directions. And there are, I think, 6 or 7 parts to this. Just 6 parts. Just go right down through the directions. You're basically going to make a Facebook page for one of these philosophers, as if Facebook actually existed back 250, 300 years ago. Okay, so those are the 2 assignments. Again, don't leave it to the last minute. Updates, just a reminder for updates. As you go, you can always see previous updates if you go down the update page, check your grades, materials. You know, if you have any questions, always start in the Start Here folder. So with that, questions, let me know. Have a great weekend, great Labor Day, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Oh, this is the first week of attendance on Thursday, and that I'll be posting weekly eligibility grades also on Thursday. So make sure you know what's coming up with that. Make sure you have everything in from the first week and a half, 2 weeks, and attendance coming up. And we have that new attendance policy, so check into that too. All right, thanks. Talk to you later.